Welcome to Sky and Space. My name is Brett Lydiat, and in this video I'm going to be looking at some footage that was filmed in 2016 but only recently released. In October 2016, Sam Chortek and Jimmie Chappie were filming from a drone for a documentary in Beaver, Utah. They were using exceptionally high quality film, and what they captured is quite frankly quite astonishing. Later in the day, while reviewing their footage, they noticed something that zipped by in the blink of an eye. It flashes by the drone so fast it wouldn't be visible with the naked eye. Quickly coming to the conclusion that this was no bird or insect, they checked the map of the area and worked out that from the hills where it came from to the point where it passes the drone is approximately 3.5 miles, and it covered that distance in approximately 1 second. Now, 3.5 miles per second works out to about 12,600 miles per hour, and that is more than Mach 16. It generates no shockwave, no sonic boom, and no ground effect. What's more, the G-force at the bottom of the turn in the hills would be staggering, mind-boggling. What kind of technology is capable of this? Many thanks for watching. Keep them peeled.